आपका म्यूट है।
In a right angle triangle, the length of the median of the hypotenuse is the half the length of the hypotenuse. Half the length of the hypotenuse. For example, right angle triangle ABC. Right angle triangle ABC. Angle B is a 90 degree. The length of the median. Median length means BD. BD is the length of the median of the hypotenuse. BD is the length of the hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. The length of the median, BD is the median. BD is the median on the hypotenuse. BD is the median of the hypotenuse. And the length of the BD, therefore BD is equal to 1/2 BC. Therefore BD is equal to 1/2 AC. In triangle ABC, angle B is a right angle. The length of the median is BD. On the hypotenuse is AC. Is length of the BD is half of the length of the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. BD is equal to 1/2 AC. For example, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Suppose AB is equal to 12 centimeter. BC is equal to 16 centimeter. And AC is equal to 20 centimeter. Then find the length of the BD. Therefore, BD is equal to 1/2 AC. Therefore, 1/2 into 20, that is equal to 10 centimeter. That is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. Have you any doubt? In an isosceles right angle triangle, in an isosceles right angle triangle, in an isosceles right angle triangle, the length of the hypotenuse is √2 times. The length of the hypotenuse is √2 times the length of the each of the other two sides. Each of the other two sides. For example, in a right angle isosceles triangle, means AB and BC are equal. AB and BC are equal. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Suppose AB and BC both are 5/5. Suppose AB and BC both are 5/5. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree and AB is equal to BC, and that is equal to 5 centimeter. Then find AC. Therefore, AC is equal to √2 into side. AC means hypotenuse. Length of the hypotenuse is equal to √2 multiply side is equal to √2 multiply 5. Therefore, AC is equal to 5√2 centimeter. Therefore, AC is equal to 5√2. Suppose in a triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. and AC is equal to 20 centimeter. Find AB and BC. If AC is equal to 20 centimeter, therefore AC is equal to root 2 into side, root 2 into side. Side means AB. Root 2 into other two sides, other side. Root 2 into other side. रूट टू इंटू अदर साइड, हमें अदर साइड फाइंड करनी है. फाइंड द अदर साइड. therefore AC is equal to 20 is equal to root 2 into other side. Okay, 20 into root 2 into other side. Therefore other side is equal to 20 by root 2, and 20 by root 2, that is equal to 10 into 2. 20 means 10 multiplied 2 by root 2, and 2 is a root 2 whole square. 2 is equal to root 2 multiply root 2 by root 2. Therefore other side is 10 root 2 centimeter. Other side is 10 root 2 centimeter. Therefore BC, otherwise AB. AB and BC both are other side, and that is equal to 10 root 2 centimeter. Okay, so have any doubt? Third number, in a right angle triangle, if the measure of the one of the acute angle is 30 degree. If the measure of the one of the acute angle is 30 degree, then the length of the hypotenuse, then the length of the side opposite to their angle is half the length of the hypotenuse. Half the length of the hypotenuse. Half the length of the hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle, see, in a right angle triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 30 degree. Angle A is equal to 30 degree. Suppose the length of the AC is equal to 10 centimeter. In a right angle triangle, right angle at B, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. If the measure of the one of the acute angle is 30, one of the angle is 30, then the length of the side opposite to their angle, length of the side opposite to their angle means BC, is half the length of the hypotenuse, and AC is equal to 10 centimeter. Therefore BC is equal to half of AC. Opposite side opposite to the angle 30, side opposite to angle 30, that length is BC, and BC is equal to half of the length of the AC. Therefore BC is equal to 1/2 into 10, that is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, BC is equal to half of the length of the AC, that is equal to 10 centimeter, for example. In second example, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, and the length of the BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Find the length AC. Find the length AC is equal to question mark, and BC is equal to question mark. Sorry, AB is equal to question mark. How to find length AB? So BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore BC is equal to 1/2 AC. BC is equal to 8 is equal to 1/2 AC. Therefore, AC is equal to 8 into 2. AC is equal to 8 multiplied by 2. Therefore, AC is equal to 16 centimeter. And the length of the AB is root 3 times BC. Length of the AB is always root 3 times BC. If in this triangle one angle is 30, side opposite to angle, therefore length of the BC is half of the hypotenuse, and the side AB, that angle is 60. By angle sum property, angle C is 60. Okay, angle C is 60, and that is equal to root 3 by 2 times AC. Root 3 by 2 times AC. Okay, root 3 by 2 times AC, and therefore that is equal to root 3 by 2, and AC is equal to 16 divided by 2. Therefore AC is equal to 16 by 2. 16 by 2, that is equal to 8. And the length of the AB is equal to 8 root 3 centimeter. Okay, length of the AB is equal to 8 root 3 centimeter. If the length of AC is 16 centimeter, BC is equal to 8 centimeter, and the length of the AB is root 3 by 2 into AC, 16 by 2 into root 3, that is equal to 8 root 3 centimeter. Okay, तो ये 3 formulas तुम्हें याद रखनी है. Clear? Apollonius theorem. Apollonius theorem statement. If AD is a median, of triangle ABC, if AD is the median of the triangle ABC, therefore in triangle ABC, AD is a median, means D is the midpoint of BC, at BD and DC both are equal. Okay, therefore the formula of the Apollonius theorem, AB square plus AC square is equal to 2 times AD square plus BD square. 2 times AD square plus BD square. Either BD square और उसकी जगह DC square भी लिख सकते हैं. AB square plus AC square is equal to 2 times AD square plus BD square. Okay, the formula use करके if 3 values are given in the question, AB, AC and AD are given, then find the length of the BC. So first you find the length of BD, then we multiply by 2 the length of the BC. Okay, इस फॉर्मूला में वैल्यू रख के हम BC की वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हैं. ओके, चलो आगे. If the length of the each side of an equilateral triangle is A, otherwise is X, length is X. The length of that is an equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. AB, AC and BC are equal. And AD is an altitude. If the length of each side of the equilateral triangle is X, each side is X, the length of the AD, therefore AD is equal to root 3 by 2 into side. Formula of length of the AD is root 3 by 2 into side and root 3 by 2 into X. For example, suppose X is equal to 6. The length of the AD is root 3 by 2 into 6. That is equal to 3 root 3. That is equal to 6 by 2. That is equal to 3 root 3. Okay. और ये फॉर्मूला ऑलरेडी हेरोस फॉर्मूला में भी आ गई है क्लास 9 में। तो अल्टीट्यूड एडी इज एन अल्टीट्यूड, एडी इज एन अल्टीट्यूड and altitude is equal to AD is equal to root 3 by 2 into side, and side is equal to suppose 666, that length is 3 root 3, that length is 3 root 3, and the area of the triangle, area is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square, and that length is root 3 by 4 into x square. For example, side is equal to 2 centimeter. Suppose side is equal to 2. Otherwise, if perimeter ABC, perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to 6 centimeter, then each side is equal to 2, 2 and 2. Each side is equal to 2. Okay. Each side is equal to 2. Therefore, altitude is equal to root 3 by 2 into side, and side is equal to 2. Root 3 into 2, that is equal to root 3 centimeter. Altitude is equal to root 3 centimeter, and area is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square, means 2 square. Root 3 by into 4 by 4, that is equal to root 3. So if side is 2, area and altitudes both are same. If side is equal to 2, then area and altitudes both are equal. Okay, both are equal. Or AD is always perpendicular bisector of BC. In an equilateral triangle, AD is altitude and AD is also a median of the triangle. Okay, here AD is perpendicular BC and AD is also a median. AD is also a median of triangle ABC. AD median भी होगा और perpendicular bisector भी होगा. Perpendicular. AD is a perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay. AD is perpendicular bisector. चलो next one. In an isosceles triangle, in an isosceles triangle, the median to the base the side other than the congruent side. In an isosceles triangle, the median of the base is perpendicular to the base. Perpendicular to the base. Suppose in triangle ABC, these two sides are equal, AB and AC are equal. In an isosceles triangle, AB and AC are equal. The other side is BC, and AD is perpendicular to BC, and AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. In triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means AB and AC are equal. AB is equal to AC. Then AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC, and BD is equal to DC. ये इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल और आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल दोनों में होता है. In an equilateral triangle, altitude and median both are equal. In isosceles triangle, altitude and median both are equal. आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल में दो साइड इक्वल होते हैं तो मीडियन भी क्या होगा, मीडियन एंड अल्टीट्यूड बोथ आर इक्वल. ओके, तो हमें बीसी के साइड सपोज हमारे पास है 10, बीसी के साइड सपोज हमारे पास है 12, BC is equal to 12 and AC is equal to 10. AC is equal to 10. Then find the length of the AD by Pythagoras theorem. Then find the length of the AD by Pythagoras theorem. If BC is equal to 12, therefore BD and DC both are 6 and 6, and hypotenuse is 10 because it is a right angle triangle in triangle ADC. DC is 6, AC is equal to 10. By Pythagoras theorem, we find the length of AD, and AD is equal to 8. Then the length of AD is median, and AD is called also altitude in an isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. Okay, so equilateral triangle or isosceles triangle में altitude and median both are same. Okay, चलो second point. In a square, the length of the diagonal is root 2 times the side of a square. Root 2 times the side of a square. Suppose quadrilateral ABCD is a square. A, B, C and D is a square, and each side is equal to 5 centimeter. Each side is 5 centimeter, and AC is a diagonal. Okay, AC is a diagonal, and triangle ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle because all sides are equal. All sides are equal in a square. All sides are equal. In quadrilateral ABCD is a square. AC is a diagonal, and AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Then AC is equal to question mark. How to find AC? AC is equal to root 2 time into side. And root 2 multiply with 5, that is equal to 5 root 2 centimeter. Okay, that is equal to 5 root 2 centimeter. If diagonal is given, then find the side. If diagonal is given and find the side, so diagonal divided by root 2, that is equal to side. Okay, diagonal side is equal to diagonal divided by root 2. Diagonal divided by root 2. If diagonal is given and find the area of the square, so area is equal to diagonal square divided by 2. Diagonal square divided by 2, that is equal to area. Okay, diagonal square divided by 2, that is equal to area. Suppose diagonal square is 5 root 2. 5 root 2 square is 50, and 50 divided by 2, that is equal to 25. And if side is 5, then area is 25. Okay, so इतनी फॉर्मूला इसमें है, इतनी याद रखनी है. अभी और भी है इसमें आगे, पहले इतने लिख दो. चलो, for a rectangle, for any rectangle, diagonal square is equal to length square plus breadth square. Length square plus breadth square. In rectangle ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. Then we join a triangle. BD is the diagonal. In triangle BCD, quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. In triangle BCD, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Angle C is equal to 90 degree. Suppose the length of the DC is 24 centimeter and BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Find the length of the diagonal BD. Therefore, diagonal square is equal to length square plus breadth square. Okay, diagonal square length is equal to 24 square plus 7 square, 576 plus 49, that is equal to 625, and 625 is a square of 25. Therefore, diagonal square is 25. Therefore, diagonal is equal to 25 centimeter. Diagonal is 25 centimeter. Okay. Next one. The diagonal of a rhombus bisect each other at a right angle. Bisect each other at a right angle. Diagonal of a rhombus bisect each other at a right angle. In a rhombus, suppose it is a rhombus, all sides are equal. In a parallelogram, all sides are equal, it is called a rhombus. AB, BC, CD and DA are equal, and AC and BD both are diagonal intersect at a right angle. Okay, they intersect at a right angle, angle BOC, angle AOB, angle AOD and angle COD both are 90. Each angle is 90, intersect at a right angle. And if BD and AC are given, suppose BD is equal to 30 and AC is equal to 16. Suppose BD is equal to 30 and AC is equal to 16. Then you find the by Pythagoras theorem, then you find the sides of the BC. Suppose BD is equal to 30, then OB and OD both are 50-50. Okay. AC is equal to 16. Therefore, OA and OC both are 8, and that is 8 and 15. By Pythagoras theorem, we find the side of BC. BC square is equal to OB square plus OC square. Then find the length of the BC. BC is equal to 17 centimeter. BC is equal to 17 centimeter by Pythagoras theorem. If AB is equal to 16 centimeter, AC is equal to 16 centimeter and BD is equal to 13 centimeter, then find BC by Pythagoras theorem is 17 centimeter. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem, BC is equal to 17 centimeter. Pythagorean triplet. A triplet showing the length length of the sides of a right angle triangle is called a Pythagorean triplet. The Pythagorean triplets are three, 4, 5, 8. याद रखने 3 square longest side is called a hypotenuse. 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. Okay, 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 10 square. 7 square plus 24 square is equal to 25 square. 8 square plus 15 square is equal to 17 square. 9 square plus 40 square is equal to 41 square. 10 square plus 24 square is equal to 26 square. 11 square plus 60 square is equal to 61 square. 12 square plus 35 square is equal to 37 square. 13 square plus 84 square is equal to 85 square. 14 square plus 48 square is equal to 50 square. 15 square plus 20 square is equal to 25 square. 16 square plus 30 square is equal to 34 square. 20 square plus 21 square is equal to 29 square. 28 square plus 45 square is equal to 53 square. 33 square plus 56 square is equal to 65 square. 36 square plus 77 square is equal to 85 square. 39 square plus 80 square is equal to 89 square. 48 square plus 55 square is equal to 73 square. And 65 square plus 72 square is equal to 97 square. ओके, तो इतने पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट है, सारे तुम्हें याद रखने हैं.